I feel like this burrito's about to give out on me, so I'm gonna eat it sideways. No! Last bite. The Cantina chicken quesadilla has become like one of my new faves. It's so good. If you guys are wondering why there's no full eating video, it just deleted. And I had a feeling it was going to delete too. Honey Bunch let me use his phone, but every time I've used it, when you stop recording, it deletes the TikTok because my second phone is dead.
Still dead.
Still dead, so I couldn't record on it. Usually that's what I record on, so I'm so sorry, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
No full eating video. I'm so mad because I feel like you guys like those more. But this was so good. Oh, let's go ahead and try their new chicken tenders. Mmm.
Is it hitting?
These are actually really good. I like these better than the nuggets, even though I thought they were going to taste the same. It came with this sauce right here. That's fire. I like that. Epic Wings is so saucy and juicy. You guys, look at that. You guys, the flavors just explode in your mouth. It's time for the pizza, you guys. Oh my gosh, this has buffalo chicken inside of it. The pizza is literally cooked perfectly today. Look at that golden brown on the cheese. Big Wings is gonna do it for me every single time. I did lemon pepper mixed with mild today. It's the perfect combo.
Wait.
Literally my fave. And this Diet Coke is good to date. I'm back to life. Let me know if you guys have tried Epic Wings and let me know what you guys order from here. I want to switch it up next time. Like... Next up, we have the beautiful AI blueberry. You guys, this looks fake. Oh my gosh, I'm dying to try this mushroom. Whoa. Mmm. Okay, you guys, I love this one. It's chocolate. This is like a chocolate lover's dream. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. Mmm. Now it's time for the mini blueberry. You guys, the blueberry is my favorite. It's time for everybody's favorite, the mango. Guys, I think they forgot my mango filling. Let's do some digging. Oh, it's all the way in there. They skimped out on my mango filling today. I'm kind of scared to try the raspberry. I can't remember if I liked it or not. I think we're gonna skip the lemon today. I don't think I gave the orange a try last time. It's like a creamsicle. I love coming to get the fruits. The blueberry, you guys. It's so good. If you come, please try the blueberry. I really like it. This is Desserts by Clement. This will always be my favorite burger, you guys. It's big, it's juicy, and it just tastes so good. Every time I eat here, I always wish I could go back to my first bite. That's how good it is. More. It's our last bite, you guys. Oh no. Oh, last bite. Finally, time to dive into these fries. Oh my goodness. There's jalapeno, caramelized onions, cheese, bacon. Oh my goodness. Do you see those fried jalapenos and onions? 10 out of 10. Let's have a bite with some ranch. Ooh, I just know this is gonna be good. I wish you guys could taste this. Like, I wish I could give you a taste through the screen. This is like the best thing I've ever had. Duke's is always a 10 out of 10. For drink today, I got Diet Coke. This burrito is huge, you guys, and that salsa is so good. This is gonna be the perfect bite. This is definitely my new favorite burrito spot. This thing was huge and everything was so like well proportioned. This is Sayuritas. I've taken like 1,000 bites and it's still going. And this was only like $20. Time for some Diet Coke. You guys, the salsa was so spicy, my whole mouth is burning. Oh, my mouth burns. I made Mexican hot dogs today. You guys, these are so good. I put grilled onions, grilled peppers, mayo, mustard, bacon. I want to try this bite with curly fries and ranch. Ooh, let's see. Wow, oh my gosh. I know I'm a ranch lover, but it tastes so good with the ranch. I made the hot dogs, but I got these curly fries from Arby's. They are so good. Today we have Diet Coke in a bottle. Whoa. She's crispy. These curly fries are so crispy. The Mexican hot dogs were a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys want to see me cook next. I'm so down for anything you guys say. Let's go ahead and dig into this. You guys, this is a crazy stuffed potato with asada and adobada. This is Flavor Town. Tacos mukbang. Next we have their asada taco. This crazy loaded baked potato is probably the best thing I've ever had. It's so good. Back at it again with the adobada. For dessert, they gave me a choco flan. This looks so good and it smells so good. Look how good that looks. This is like the perfect sweetness after all this spicy food. Wow. Comment down below if you've had choco flan or flan. Someone's beefing back there. You guys, this was all 10 out of 10. My favorite thing was the crazy potato and the adobada taco. Oh my gosh, this was all so good. The only thing I'm wondering is, where is my drink? Jeez. Where's my drink? Sorry you guys, the drink is in training still. I said that's enough. That's enough. Gosh, I think I need a new drink person because this one's not working out. Also, obviously this is just a joke. We just thought it would be funny to like start doing skits, but I don't talk to him like that, you guys. Oh, come on. Tacos mukbang. Tacos mukbang. Chipotle full eating video. Mmm. It's hot. There's cheese. This is their new honey chipotle chicken. I know I just did a chipotle video, but I was like, F it. We gotta try it, huh?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. It's good in the bowl.
Nothing like the al pastor. I will die on this hill. Oh, look. Bless you. Look at that. That's that extra cheese. You guys, the girl in there had beef with me. I was like laughing because I was like, there's no way this is real.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do this one with sour cream. She almost took me to Chipotle jail for asking for extra meat. Oops.
Extra
And
meat
see, look, it's so skinny because
and cheese.
she put like 2 chickens in there.
They don't know the vision.
Yeah. So I was like, I'm next in line, and I tell the girl, "Hi, can I please get a quesadilla with extra meat and extra cheese?" And then this girl comes in out of nowhere and she's like, "Actually, you can't get extra meat because it's not gonna fit, and if you get extra cheese, it's not gonna melt, so no." And I was like, what? Like, I always get extra cheese in my quesadillas. And maybe if it's the tone she said it, like if she was like, well, it might not melt, but she was just like, no, no.
Did that ruin your day?
I'm like, it's never that deep, right?
Yeah, she was being weird.
I just wanted to laugh because I was like, there's no way this is real. Mmm.
Oh, he's back.
Chipotle has been hitting.
Yeah, Chipotle's been doing their thing.
But yeah, I was like, mean.
We're like, relax.
Relax. And I was being nice too.
Yeah.
I'm always nice. I'm like, please. Thank you. After every scoop.
Thank you. Maybe somebody in the comments works at Chipotle.
Who works at Chipotle here? But usually we don't come to this Chipotle anymore. This was not planned. The vinaigrette today is hitting. If you don't get vinaigrette, you should.
Mm-hmm.
It like changes, it levels up Chipotle. It tastes completely different with the vinaigrette, huh?
Yeah. And the queso.
Before they used to not let you get vinaigrette.
Only
Remember?
with the salad.
Yeah, they're like only with a salad. Oh, this is gonna be a good bite. I'm gonna do queso with this one. Oh, I got my eyebrows laminated and tinted now. It's kind of better because now I don't have to do them.
How is it?
This is really good.
You like the quesadilla?
What do you rate the chicken?
Good.
Oh, you already finished your bowl.
No.
I give the chicken a... Honestly, it kind of tastes like the regular chicken,
Yeah.
but with more flavor. Imagine the regular chicken, but just with more seasoning.
They should just make this the regular chicken.
I like that they do like new flavors though.
Yeah. Different stuff.
You know what I was thinking about?
Me?
Of course, but when people like something enough, they'll add it to the menu. Like the hot honey rub.
Yeah.
We had so many videos saying, bring it back.
Yeah, because when they took it away, I didn't even want Wingstop.
It's the best flavor. Although, the new sweet chili glaze.
Grew on you?
Yeah, I love it. Usually I don't like glazy flavors like that.
Glaze me.
Because they're so saucy, but the sauce on that is so good. Oh, this quesadilla. I feel like I ate this in 3 bites.
You eat the rice.
Oh.
No.
I thought I did, but I didn't. You
I was like,
guys,
that's brand new.
I know. I just got it yesterday. I'm like an Aritzia stan.
What if Richard gets canceled?
If they ever sponsor me, I already have like a lot of their clothes. They don't even gotta send me.
They have good quality. They need a little men's section.
A little man section?
No, like a small section
Oh.
for the men.
Yeah, if Aritzia had men's clothes, I feel like it would eat.
Maybe like a Zara.
No, better. But it would be more expensive.
Yeah.
At first, I used to like debate getting their clothes, but I got some stuff at first and I washed it like a million times and it still looks just as good. So now I don't even mind spending the money. because I know it's gonna last me a long time. Versus like when you get like Shein or something, it lasts like 2 times. And it doesn't...
You haven't got Shein in a while.
Mm-mm. I don't really shop there.
You're an Amazon shopper.
Mostly for like stuff that I need. You guys, I did not spill any of my ranch today. And the food was extra good. The fried mozzarella sticks are like 1,000 out of 10. I don't think they're salty.
No, I don't think they're salty.
No, they're not salty. There's
But
people that say that they're salty.
Yeah, but you love salt, so.
I love salt, so people are gonna say it's because I have a deficiency.
But it's so good.
10? No, not 10. 1 million.
No cheese pool though.
Yeah, no cheese. Loaded bite. You can probably tell that I made this at home, but I had been seeing everybody's chili cheese dog videos and the chips, and I had to make it myself. And let me tell you, the chips with the chili and the sour cream, game changer. This sushi was $80.